In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Gemini. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes, ensuring you can get started quickly and efficiently. So let's jump right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up Google Gemini. This is your first step and is crucial to get everything started. If you don't already have Gemini open, navigate to it through your browser or your desktop app, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you've got Gemini open, you'll see it's a user-friendly environment designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Next, locate the chat box within Gemini's interface. Directly within this chat box, you'll find a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to uploading documents to the platform. Give it a quick click. This action opens up several options that allow you to interact with Gemini in more complex ways. Now, with the menu open, you'll need to find and click on Upload Files. This is your primary method for introducing new documents into the Gemini environment. By selecting this, you're telling the system that you want to bring in an external file. In this case, a PDF. Moving on, you're at the stage where you need to select your PDF file. If you're unsure where your PDF is stored, take a moment to locate it on your device. It might be on your desktop, in a specific folder, or perhaps in your downloads. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, and then confirm your choice by hitting Open or the equivalent option. After your file is uploaded, it's time to type in your prompt or question. Think about what you want to achieve with this PDF in Gemini. Do you need specific information from the document, or are you looking to analyze its content more thoroughly? Type your query in the chat box, framing it as clearly as possible to help Gemini understand your needs. Finally, all that's left is to wait for Gemini to respond to your query. This platform is designed to process your request efficiently, so it shouldn't take too long. Once you've received a response, take some time to review the information or analysis provided. If there's anything that needs clarification or if more detail is required, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. The interactive aspect of Gemini is there to enhance your experience, so make the most of it to get the insights you need. And there you have it. That's how you upload a PDF to Gemini. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're leveraging the full potential of the platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you in the next video.